My name is Key. Everyone calls me Keyykii, Key. This will be my first YouTube video. Like, I'm a big procrastinator, so year 2022, we are not procrastinating. Like, I'm no longer gonna be a procrastinator. I've been saying I wanted to do videos. I never did it. I never had no reason to not have done it other than me, I guess, judging myself, looking at myself. Like, I have a thing with looking at myself in the camera. I don't know why. Like looking at recordings, like, oh, and like when I go out and people recording me and stuff, and then I look at it, I be like, don't like that. So I'm like my worst critic, you know, and I think that's my biggest issue. But we getting out of that. We're not doing that in 2022. We're not procrastinating. We're not doing none of that, okay? So my skin is suffering right now because anytime the weather change, my eczema be like beating me. We not going, you know, I got my days and this ain't one of them. You know, it ain't one of them. It's not one of them at all. And then the weather is bipolar right now. I don't know what the season is. It's not understanding the assignment. The title of this is going to be my early Christmas gift. Because honestly, I came here to show y'all my gift. Yo, I came here to show y'all my gift. So, my early Christmas gift from my cousin, aka my sister, is you say Crimps. I was so excited, right? And I attempted to open the box. I did a little bit. I opened the box a little bit. But I didn't take the Crimps out because I was like, we're gonna do an unboxing with YouTube. Like, I'm gonna do this with y'all. Like, been a tasting for a while. And when I see these Crimps on his page, I put my post notification on, like, because I didn't know, and I missed the first shipment. Like, that joint went, he said it went in the first day, but I really feel like that joint went in like a few hours. Like, that shit was out of here. I tried to activate them because I didn't have the money at that time. I'm a single mother, okay? I be doing stuff on my own, and you know, I got support from my family, my friends, things like that. But I don't wear them out. But for some reason, my active pages, I don't know. Maybe I was broke. Maybe I had no money in my card. I don't know. But I was so panicky trying to order it. Like, on my phone, I was just before they like sold out, that I didn't take the chance to call my company, you know, my bank, and be like, hey, what's going on? I didn't even get online on banking line to look and see if it was any issues. No, I just sent the screenshot over to my sister, and because I knew for a fact this girl was putting $300 on a sweater. So I know for a fact she was gonna get these damn Crimps, okay? I knew that for a fact. Okay? So I just sent it to her. She didn't even reply. I don't even think we talked for like 2 days. And then she was like, so you know I ordered them Crimps. I was like, oh, I know. We ain't even have to talk about it. I know. So I'm excited because they came. And when they came, I just walked in her house and we was all talking and chilling. And she was like, oh yeah, Merry Christmas, because she's, I got an early Christmas gift. Early. Say no, I got it really. So this morning I put lashes on and did my brows a little, because when I have a wig on that is thick or of density, because my natural hair is thin, I can't be bald headed in the eye area like that. To not have no hair here, but to have a bunch of hair here, child, that right there, that don't make sense to me. I don't like that, and I try not to practice that a lot. So let's get to this thank you card. It says, thank you for shopping with me. I am beyond grateful. It is my goal to provide you with products/tools to make all your hair experience flawless. Follow my Instagram at arroganttay123. Post and tag for a reshare. This is the this is only the beginning. More to come. Love, Tay. So that was the thank you card. Now we gonna get to the real unboxing. I keep holding it like this because it won't close after I opened it all dramatically, you know. That's why I keep holding it like this, because I want it to look presentable to y'all, so y'all can get the gist of how it looked before my dramatic ass touched it. I like the box, it's so sturdy. That's how you know I was just being dramatic if I broke the box. And excited, you know, doing the fucking most or whatever. So it basically opens up on the side like this, and this is what it looks like. Well, of course it got the bubble paper on it. And I was so extra that I messed the box up like right here. I think I did that. I think I was being that dramatic. That's what I think. So the cord was inside under this black little suede holder thing, and then it has like a little pamphlet of instructions. The box seems to close perfect without it in there, so maybe I just didn't put the crimps back in there correctly. Oh, it is called the Flawless Experience, and we're about to see how flawless this experience can get, and that's just on period. So deep hair waiver, so that's what the tool is called, I guess. I call them crimps because you hear me crimply shit. So it just has all the important safety instructions on here.
Care for your iron, unplug it, wait for the cool room temperature, put a teaspoon of original alcohol on it to soak with a soft cloth, and wipe it off gently to remove any dirt. Fucking product you have. That is obvious, and so I need to do it a lot of my tools right now, especially my hot comb. So, and then it says getting started, plug the appliance into a standard electrical outlet, turn it on or off, and to fast heat up, turn it to 220. Switch same button to change temperature. Turn the iron off before unplugging the cord.
Simple instructions everyone should know when it comes to using hot tools. And the bubble paper, I have to leave this for my daughter because she likes to like pop these things. And this is what the beauty looks like. I like the cord. The cord is really thick. I like a thick ass cord, you know. This is you would think I'd be so hype about this, but this is the thing I'm hype about, because this should make this worth the money. This should make this last. So I'm really happy about this. Really happy about the cord being thick, you know. I'm hype about that. And I like how professional these look. These look pretty cool, guys. Pretty professional. It goes up to 450, so you know that bad boy is fire. And the construction looks pretty cute. Looks pretty dope. It has a spin on it, which is convenient because a lot of hot tools don't have that. So I like the size. The size looks perfect. The size looks perfect, you guys. And I'm really just excited to fucking try these things, okay? Like, nobody knows how excited I am. Actually, y'all probably can feel how excited I am. There's only one button on here. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about that. So she's blinking, and she's blinking at the highest. So, I'm feeling heat. So I like how I could sit these down and it won't burn anything, because it has like a length on it, which I'm liking that. And we also see that my hair looks really straight, and I've been sleeping on it all weekend because I've been drunk all weekend, y'all. Okay, so I never really crimped before, so I don't really know how to crimp. But a bitch is trying. Oh, I could put my hand here. It is not hot. That is good.
It's making my hair look so much better than what the hell it looks like. And I don't put no oil right now for my hair. Y'all see this. Y'all see it. And I don't even know what I'm doing, y'all, either. I mean, crimping just makes sense. It just makes sense. I don't like what to do. So, am I the last part of my hair? Yeah. So, that's my first crimp. Look at that swoop, y'all. This is my first crimp, y'all, and not bad at all because this is body wave here. Probably should like comb it through so it can be more flawless. And I gotta get the whoop-a-tated. Do the tape with it, whoop-a-tated. So I really love that, y'all. did. I'm always doing something. Always doing something. Okay.
And that's just on period, y'all. And that's just on period. Yo, hilarious, I swear. I got my own nerves, y'all. Get into the lace, you guys. Get into the curls. Do y'all see that? That is a flawless experience, you guys. It makes the hair feel different. The hair feels smoother. It looks shinier. And I haven't put nothing in it, you guys. You guys saw it. I slept on this hair 4 days. 4 days. And that's why my edges look a crusty ass mess. Well, I really had to try these out. We're gonna fix those edges.
Right, yeah. Crimps is a little time consuming. I push the button right into it and I'm not taking out. This wig was hand stitched by me. The frontal and the bundles come from different companies, different vendors. Yeah, I've had this here since March of this year. I've recently updated the frontal on this wig because my other frontal was boarded and really, really big. However, I like this frontal better anyway. no products. Just Crimps. Right?
Right? So now what I'm gonna go do is bump the top of my head. I mean, use my straightening comb for the top of my head and for my edges. This straightening comb is from Andis. It has levels and it go up to 20. I always take it up to 20. It has rotating as well, and it has this. That's very important. I'm gonna go get my wax stick because I do have the wax stick I use all the time is the TG bedhead. Forgot how much it costs. I was looking for the price, but I use the fuck out of this hair stick a little too much, and I've had it for a while. I can't lie, I've had it for a while. I'll lose it, I'll find it, I'll lose it, I'll find it, I'll lose it, I'll find it, I'll lose it, I'll find it. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is the top of my head. I believe I'm gonna do that first. And I'm just gonna stop it at where the drawing is at, kinda. I don't really wanna comb out, what you call it. But I did wanna make the top of my head a little flatter than what it was because I've been laying on it. So yeah, right. So now I'm gonna take this elastic band off. I have a hard time because I tie these. So I'm having a hard time. Okay, this been on my head since last night, and my edges look a mess. So what I wanna do is just take this a little, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, right? Just a little bit. Ooh, I burnt myself. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, right? That's all I really wanted to do. Right? So now let's get these baby hairs under control, because that right there is having me look crazy as well. What I've been using lately is, oh, I love how bouncy it is. What I've been using lately is this wrapping foam from Bronner's Brothers. From Bronner's Brothers, I've been using this. Like, I use it too much. Like, I got a lot of them, but I feel like this is the best for, like, if you want soft edges, like that don't mold too hard. I feel like other mousses make it mold too hard, and I can pretty much comb these out once these mold and it don't be doing too much, you know. So that's really what I'll be just doing. And then here I'm just gonna try to concentrate because, ooh, child, that's too much going on. Because that's what I need to be doing, is concentrate. Because I don't know how to do edges that well. I wing them every day and they look different every day. And then I'm just gonna give it some type of hole, some type of hole, some type of hole, right? Right. Just took the excess mousse off my hand and just spread it through my hair for real. And then I'm gonna take a comb again.